This one more.
There's an instruction manual here.
Okay.
My arm is stuck now. My arm just got stuck. Okay, that's it.
Yeah, we gotta keep. How do we keep? First, we gotta assemble
Yeah,
that.
and this is the instruction manual here.
What is it? Assembly. It's right here.
Right?
So
Isn't that an instruction manual?
it's
Okay.
how many of those do we have?
I got 1, 2, 3.
Anyway, so 2 handle pieces. What are handle pieces now? Handle piece. It's just this and I don't know. I'm just trying to figure
You're
out.
just trying to figure it out.
Oh, so you know what? We're gonna scan this video, like
Mhm.
scan this QR,
Okay.
and then we're gonna watch the video and try and assemble it.
Okay. Wanna hold it for you?
Yeah, sure.
So you can scan it? Sorry that my thumb was in the way.
Although the selection of lacquer might be a daunting task, lighting pen
Can I give me that one?
Are you able to cast it to the TV?
Oh, yeah.
on this video, we're going to show you how
Connecting to 50 pellets. Is this
Mhm.
one?
Yeah, it's this one. You got the right TV. Oh, it's working.
Okay. It's gonna say.
It's just loading. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But can you not start it without me? I just have to go
On this video.
pee.
Alright.
I'm just
I'll
going
show
to
you
pee
how to
quickly.
assemble the U-shaped handle
Oh,
reel.
You baby?
On this video, we're going to show you how to assemble the U-shaped handle reel. The U-shaped handle is going to come in 4 parts: the upper handle, 2 middle sections, and the lower section. It will come with 6 bolts, 6 washers, and 6 wing nuts for assembly. You will want to insert the middle sections into the upper handle, making sure.
So let's first
Okay,
insert the upper.
sounds good.
Remove the rubber.
I will. You heard that, right? Ron? What needs to be done?
This side.
I thought they put it on the floor like that.
Oh, he did. Oh, seriously, man. Not sure.
This way. Should get this way, right?
On this video, we're going to show you how to assemble the U-shape with 6 bolts, 6 washers, and 6 wing nuts. The metal sections into the upper handle, making sure that you line up the holes. Once the holes are lined up, take a bolt, insert it through the hole.
Exactly.
On the other side, place a washer, then grab the wing nut and start to tighten.
We need bolts. What is wing nut now?
You don't even know what a wing nut is?
Nah.
He doesn't even know what a wing nut is.
It's okay. We'll figure it out.
So we do it like with this.
Uh,
lined up. Take a bolt, insert it through the hole. On the other side,
You see?
You see.
sections and the lower section. It will come with 6 bolts, 6 washers, and 6 wing nuts for assembly. You will want to insert the metal sections into the upper handle, making sure that you line up the holes. Once the holes are lined up, take a bolt, insert it through the hole. On the other side, place a washer, then grab your wing nut and start to tighten.
All right.
Okay, then.
So place the washer.
Did
grab
you
the-
do the washer?
Yeah, he did.
No, that's the wing nut.
No, the washer was before the wing
Wash
nut.
it, what is
Yeah.
that?
There's 3 things that are gonna over this week.
Oh, but see, this one has to be. Okay, it's open like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 6 wing nuts for assembly. You will want to insert the metal sections into the upper handle, making sure that you line up the holes. Once the holes are lined up, take a bolt, insert it through the hole. On the other side, place a washer, then grab your wing nut and start to tighten. And this process will be repeated throughout the rest of the holes on the handle.
Okay. Take the wrapper out of that.
Okay. Hold it. Here.
Like this way.
Yes. Exactly.
And
This is come. Come.
So I take that. Put this in there. Yeah.
This washer seems bent.
Or these are
No, it's the
all
same.
like that.
Oh, they're all like that?
They're meant to be like that.
Okay.
put this one through.
Why am I having 2 of these? What?
This is first set, okay?
What the?
Where's the
Like what?
here? Yeah. Now
So we can.
What the heck?
put one through this.
Like what?
Yep. A washer through that.
No, the other way.
It goes like
The
that?
other way. The other
Oh,
way.
other way. Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Makes more sense. Now.
Yeah. Pretty
Yeah, we
good.
can tighten it later.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is it all the way tight?
And then Ansh can do the other one.
Next one. Yeah.
And then
For
I
sure.
need
This the other way.
this one?
No,
Other
other
way.
way.
I
Yeah.
This? Oh. Here, you do. Help me.
Do it. This way.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That makes more sense.
Here you go.
Okay. I thought it goes the opposite.
That's okay. Very good.
Is that tight enough?
Tight. After that.
Okay. No, it's not
Sorry.
ready.
Sorry.
Oh, dead.
What is wrong with this now?
Oh, isn't it going in right? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm thinking that we should go like okay.
We're going the opposite
Yeah.
here.
Alright.
We've done that far already.
Once this process is complete, you'll notice that the handle at the bottom has a curve to it. You will want these curves to face the opposite direction of the blades. Insert the slotted post into the hole. Squeeze the other side of the handle to line up the other slotted post. To secure your handle, take a pair of pliers, grab your E-ring, and snap it into the groove of the slotted post.
Take a pair of pliers.
And that's it. We are complete, and you have assembled a U-handle drill mower. For any more information, please
I
visit
don't think they provided pliers.
AmericanLawnmower.com.
You gonna
Huh?
rewind it?
So,
Notice that the handle at the bottom has a curve to it. You will want these curves to face the opposite direction of the blades. Insert the slotted post into the hole. Squeeze the other side of the handle to line up the other slotted post. To secure your handle, take a pair of pliers, grab your E-ring, and snap it into the groove of the slotted post.
you see what I mean?
The assembly of the post.
Check the box. Sorry.
What? Are you checking for plier? Oh.
E-rings and fire.
Plier, they won't provide, but E-ring, yeah.
Is he not there?
You should be
Wait,
there.
be careful.
What you do?
No, I thought it was E-ring.
How do I?
How did they say it would go in? So,
Grab it from the side. No, just grab it from that side. And don't let it go, okay?
you sure they fit it in?
No.
No, just the way. You try it once.
Help me. Oh! Aye! She.
I thought
Also,
you were able to do it.
There should be, but also, is it gonna go like this or what? So how are we gonna use it if it's like this?
What?
Is it correct way? I don't think so.
No, it's not. See.
Yeah, this side should
And
be
that's
this
it.
side.
We are complete, and you have assembled a U-handle drill mower. For
But that's a different type though.
Oh, okay, it's gonna work like this.
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
but
okay.
Easy.
oh, this one.
It won't break, is that what you just said?
Not like that. Let's take this up.
It's a different type? That one's a different type, is that what you just said?
Yeah, just a little bit different. See the wheels are different?
Yeah, I do see that.
It has two sets of
But it
wheels.
assembles
Yeah,
the same.
yeah,
We have rollerblades and
Yeah, I see.
wheels.
I
That's
see. I see what you mean. So this one doesn't require an E-ring?
maybe, maybe not. I have to check the instructions.
I know how to have to check the instructions.
Alright.
Well, you got one side in at least.
Yeah, I think
Yeah, it's opposite side.
you gotta remove this thing and then do first.
Exactly.
What?
Maybe we gotta put the house now.
No, it's the same.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it. Yep.
Need help out?
I don't know.
Okay, I was like, you need help out there?
Yeah. Wait.
Kind of stiff. You see? Record this.
Okay.
Oh no, we were almost there.
We were almost. Maybe you need the help there, Derek Kuko, too. Maybe you need Derek's muscles.
Wait. Wait, take a rest
Here,
for a second.
here. Derek Kuko. Here.
I'll try and you rest this time and then you go. I think you'll do it.
You want me to help out?
Sure.
Okay.
Just watch the blades.
Yeah, I know. Here. Ready?
Yeah, do it.
Okay. Here,
Yeah.
come. Come.
What do you want
You
me
want
to do?
to help me push?
You do it. It's a one-man job.
Yeah.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Nah. It's,
Try
nah.
and
I'll try.
It's a two-man job, actually.
One thing on the time.
Seems that way. Nah. Maybe Derek can try.
give me the last try.
You record Derek anyways. Just be careful there, Derek. Kuko.
Oh,
Just
he
move
did
it.
it on the table though.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, his is different though.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
One
So
more.
you guys, hey, put your leg
I'll
here.
put my leg here too.
Stand in the middle.
Stand in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Come
That was my toe.
And then just push. Push this.
Okay.
Push it.
on. No, on my up. Yeah.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many did?
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh no.
Yeah.
There we go!
He did it! Heyo! Hey, he did it.
One second. What's this?
Not this side. The blade should be our side, no?
But then.
It's not moving.
Oh, wait. Oh, is this supposed to be down, right?
Heyo.
This
Yeah, it's a.
is supposed to be down like this.
Heyo.
No, that's the right way you were doing.
This is the right way.
It goes like this. Listen.
You go on the ground and.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then.
Okay, oh. Maybe we can try it.
Should we try it?
Yeah,
Let's do it.
Okay.